Hi, this is Choke Lines, and today I'm going to review a little bit about how to position GUIs, at least a little bit better way to position controls within GUIs. What I used to do, and I'm still learning how to do this the right way, so first off, I am by no means an expert at GUIs. I'm pretty bad, actually. However, I didn't know that there were some of these functionality built into AutoHotKey, so I want to review them real quickly to let you guys know and see it. I think when you see the examples, the code's a little, for me, hard to follow, but for working through it, I think it'll make it easier watching the video. So first off, this is very important to remember. The GUI and AutoHotKey, GUI control position, they start from the top and then go down to the bottom and then move left to right. So if I launch my script here, right here, let me quickly review. This is my entire script. Okay, so there's nothing after this, and I'm keeping it always on top, so it's easier for us to keep track of. I colored it aqua or blue, so it'll be easier to see. And then it has these numbers in it, and right now I'm just putting text. The way I used to do stuff is I would tell it exactly where to put the x and y coordinates, so I would have put probably like x5, y 2, y10, y12, y18 for each one of these. The problem is when something moves, especially if you have a more complex GUI, it becomes very labor intensive to move everything around for you. So what I learned, there was a couple things here. I'm going to review the XM, basically the stuff using margins, the stuff using sections, and then a little bit on the previous commands or controls. So here, and let me actually take advantage of sight. I'm just going to add some extra words here. So my text, save, reload. Now notice it's all going down, and of course it starts here and goes down because I have no x, y coordinates, so it keeps putting one beneath the other. Now if I had said here, let's say, now let's just start from right here. Alright, so XM positions control at the leftmost. So if I wanted, actually all of these are going to be at the leftmost. So let's say YM is in position at the topmost. So here, let's say I wanted 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here I'm going to put YM, and notice I didn't put in a Y position, right, or an X position. Sorry. So when I save and reload this, notice it shifted everything up to the Y margin, right? Because what that does basically, it's like starting a new column. So this goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And what's great is if I was to go in here and change the font size or anything, these would stay lined up. Now, if I also came in here and said, let's say I want to start a new row after this 7, like if I do it this way and say XM, so remember XM is for like the margin. Save, and I'm going to reload it. And so, okay, that didn't do exactly what, I'm sorry, so what that did was it said 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I had the YM, which pushed it back up to here, new column, 5, 6, but then I said, okay, now put the 7th one back on the X margin, so that put it back over, all the way over to the left here. So as you can see, it sometimes is a little confusing, but let's say I wanted to have groups of yeah, we'll do 3. YM, and we'll add one here. Save, load. Now it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Because it's 1, 2, and then puts it next margin, 3, 4, next margin, 5, 6.